what people don't understand about sex and money. You can't buy sex because sex is an emotion. When you think you're buying sex, what you're actually buying, if you're lucky, is a good performance. It's not sex, it's a performance. The other way of buying sex with money is by offering money to somebody that gets off on money. And that would be what I would recommend someone to do. Girls, the majority of girls, get turned on by a lot of money. So if you offer them a lot of money, then sex might happen. You can't force it. Again, it's not about you are buying sex, it's about you are giving them something that they want and that will turn them on, and then you get sex. Performances, I don't recommend them. I think it's a waste of time. I had someone, one of you probably, in my OnlyFans that wanted me to be his dominatrix. Hi. I feel like people misunderstand what that means. That's a long-term relationship. It starts pretty slow. It does not start with sex. It does not really start with sexual tasks. It starts with other tasks. If you're a slave, you don't decide what you do. I decide what you do. If you don't want that, then you don't want to be a slave, and nobody would take you on as one. Nobody of any reputation. Gosh, it's getting new sprouting here. See, everything was fine in the end. I thought she was dying. I've given her everything I could. Look at all her little leaves. She's so happy now because the weather is shit again. Hi, we are exploring Ibiza today. I got this road and I just started walking. I think it's gonna take me to the east of the island, but who knows? So this is as far as we got. I know I could go down here and I would be in 15 minutes in this restaurant. So I don't know, maybe I'll come another day. I'm a bit afraid in case there's dogs that come out, because I know big dogs in all of these houses and I wouldn't like that. Stopped asking me if I was okay, which was really nice. It's just such a shame that nobody walks through here, because as I said, the whole road is half an hour. I mean, it's such a nice walk if only there were people here. This is how we do this. In one way I'm yours, in one way you're strangers, but I know for sure we got something. Look what I am making. I have this really nice 2 rochas. I'm gonna eat one today and the other one tomorrow, because it's only me. I have to eat them all. Oh, she thinks I have food, but I don't have food. I just want to show you how beautiful my cross looks on this chain. So this is the 3 chains choker in solid rose gold, and this is my diamond cross. Brown diamonds. Rose gold, brown diamonds, and platinum. It's an extremely special piece made to order. I was wondering if I could interest you in this. I've been following this girl. She is traditionally a dominatrix, but she's been using her knowledge and experience to train girls to kind of understand the dynamics between people. I don't just want to say between men and women, although that is technically what it's about, but it's a really intelligent instruction. I really like her. I think she's totally worth giving a try and reading for women or anybody who wants to understand them, really. And she's doing a course in August, and I'm going to do it. So I invite anybody that might be interested to do it. Good morning, IBIZA. And look what we have here. We have an incoming flower. I hope you do that, because we haven't had flowers. And another incoming flower over there. And another one there. Oh my God, I hope this happens. Darling, do you want to have flowers? Are you having flowers? How are you? You look better too. She was having a sort of funny fungus infection, I think. I basically treat them like dogs. So now I've left her over there. I think she quite likes this spot, except if it starts getting windy. We shall monitor the wind. Don't you worry.